I am sick today. Student, receptionist. 822-66555. Ring ring. Hello, English Language Services. Hello, this is Kutsia. I can't come to class. I am sick today. Okay. Please spell your first name. Okay. Please spell your last name. What is your student ID number? What is your teacher's name? My teacher's name is Kutsia, Wes, Julia. Okay, I will tell Kutsia, Wes, Julia. Thanks. Bye. Goodbye. Tomorrow. Excuse me, Kutsia. Yes? I can't come to school tomorrow. I have a Centrelink appointment. I have to go to the doctor, to the dentist. I have to go to my child's school. That's okay. Thanks for letting me know. Now. Excuse me, Kutsia. Yes? I have to go now. I have a job seeker appointment. I have to go to MRC. I have to pick up my son, daughter, from childcare. I am going to the mosque. That's okay. Thanks for letting me know. Yesterday. Excuse me, Kutsia. Yes? I'm sorry I was absent yesterday. I had a house inspection. I had to go to the hospital. My son, daughter, was sick. That's okay. Thanks for letting me know.